Do you find your screen hard to read on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can make it easier to see by using a high contrast theme. Let me show you how to enable it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Under the Color and Clarity section, tap High Contrast Theme. Here you will see two options, yellow and blue. You can choose yellow for stronger contrast or blue for a slightly softer look. For example, let's choose yellow, then turn on the switch and tap apply. Now you will see the screen change with higher contrast, making text and element easier to read. You can use this if you often read text on your phone or want better visibility. Go back to the menu. If you turn the switch off, your theme will return to the default. And that's how you make your screen easier to read using high contrast theme on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.